It is now my honor to introduce Shri Dinesh Surana sir, who is currently serving as the Secretary Maharashtra Legal Services Authority very effectively and very efficiently. And because of his collective efforts, the reason is that why we are here today. Sir has joined the judicial services in 2010 and has served city civil and sessions courts all across the Maharashtra. Sir has served as the district judge Silvassa in the year 2019, and during the COVID period, Sir has acted as the registrar inspection High Court, and various guidelines were issued by the Honorable Sir for the smooth functioning of the system. I request the Sir to kindly come on the dais to impart the keynote address. Welcome, Sir.
Dignitaries on the dais आणि मंचावर जे बसलेले डिग्निटरीज आहे त्यांना मान वर करून पाहणारे सगळे मंचाखालील डिग्निटरीज आणि माझे न्यायिक बंधू, मालसा टीम, लेक्चरर्स, ऑनरेबल लेक्चरर्स and this organizers from Global Care, last but not the least, all beautiful students. Good morning to all of you. Actually, when the concept of this youth parliament was told to me, there was a thought in my mind that this is a real issue which is to be discussed and taught to the students now. Basically, the students who will in next generation will become our parliamentarians. If you will see that most of the parliamentarians are law graduate. So the responsibility on law graduates are more because their opportunity to become a parliamentarian is more than any other professional. But when this concept was told to me, immediately in my mind one video which was circulated long back came in front of me, wherein a youth parliament like this was organized in a classroom, and one side of the classroom and the other side of the classroom, and as soon as the teacher told, now the debate start, everybody started fighting to each other. They started throwing chairs, whatever they were having in their hands. That was the video which was circulated, and which is most of you might have gone through it, seen the video. But being a largest democratic country, whether really we want such parliament to run, because lost lot of time, there was a news in the Times of India recently which I have seen. Now the lot of time is being wasted of parliament in other things, and most of the time the parliament is adjourned due to some or the other reason, well known to every citizen now because it is live. Therefore, it is the need of the day, in my view, to teach every student, every citizen of India who is the next parliamentarian of the country, to show that we being the largest democracy, हम हमारी कंट्री को सबसे ज़्यादा सभ्य मानते हैं भारतवर्ष को, तो हमने हमारी सभ्यता किस तरीके से दर्शानी चाहिए. So that responsibility is on you. Therefore, in my personal view, I know that it is going live, but in my personal view, this is the need of the day to teach every student, and especially the law students. I wish all students who are participating in this youth parliament session best of luck. Whoever may be the winner or the loser, that will not be a thing in your life, because I was a backbencher but not a loser. So you may get a certificate only and not a prize, but your experience on the day, today's day, will count more in your life. Now coming to Article 39A, which because of which we all are here. एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है. When I was a district judge or the judiciary, when we are dealing as a judges or a student, our approach towards looking after a law delivery mechanism is altogether different. But really speaking, whether Article 39A is restricted only to those who are economically worst, economically healthy. It says that justice is to be delivered to everybody, the opportunity is to be given everybody, competent lawyer should be provided free of cost to those who cannot afford it. In today's scenario, what we are saying, that the persons economically sound can hire a good lawyer of their choice. And therefore, a person who cannot afford, because we have to give as per our preamble, which says that to secure all citizens justice. Justice means social, economical and political. When we talk about political justice, one person, one vote, everybody can become a prime minister, anybody can now become, means that is your right. So, as regards political justice is concerned, to most of the extent we have, our constitution has given that we as a citizen have that every right. But what about economic justice? So therefore, the court of law should be open for everybody, irrespective of their economic barrier. Being a member secretary Legal Services Authority, I am proud to say that this institution, this apparatus throughout India is having maximum hands right from taluka level to district level and state level and national level. At national level, National Legal Services Authority. At state level, State Legal Services Authority. At district level, District Legal Services Authority. And at taluka level, Taluka Legal Services Committees. And the best part is that out of the four wings, judiciary, which is said to be a backbone of the democracy, is looking after this legal apparatus, Legal Services Authority. And being a judges, it is our responsibility. Being a law students, it is all our responsibility. Those who are now all present here are related to study of law, subject of law. So it is our responsibility to reach to every poor person, irrespective of his, what I am saying, economic capacity or economic status, to secure a competent justice for him. Therefore, Section 12 of Legal Services Authority Act, though it was enacted long back in 1887 and took long time for even to get it enacted after our independence, it says that if you are a woman, means female, if you are a child, if you are your income is less than 3 lakhs per annum, maybe that this income factor may be different in different state, but you are entitled to have a legal services free of cost. Not only court-based legal services, but other services wherein this aspect of legal comes in picture. So if women of any economic status can come to us and say, I want a legal services free of cost, and we as a legal services authority, every judge is bound to give it, and therefore this Legal Services Authority Act is a part of constitutional mandate article 39A and 21. It's not only the responsibility of we as a persons who are dealing with or who are the authorities under this act, legal services authorities. Now we are running legal aid clinics in law colleges and other institutions also. Therefore, it is necessary for all law college students at their inception in first year to know about this subject, what this Legal Services Authority is for. And in recent speeches by our Honorable Executive Chairman NALSA, Honorable Shri Justice U. Lalit, now who will be the next Chief Justice of India, he has emphasized that there should be a footfall of final year students at the most of law colleges to the court premises. And therefore, there should be a link between Legal Services Authorities Act, Legal Services Authorities and the law college students. Because if you are in this profession, some or the other day, you will be coming to the court of law. Either you will be joining a legal field, means court-based, or maybe joining a company giving advices, but still, you as a student of law is duty bound to give something to the society, and this is the best platform, Legal Services Authority, whereby you can come and give your services to the society. और शुरुआत के जो दिनों में आपने जो सोशल एक्टिविटी की है, मुझे लगता है कि वो आपके जहन में बहुत देर तक रहती है, और इसीलिए ये जो आपने फील्ड जो चुनी है, इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड ये सोशल एक्टिविटी है, इसीलिए लॉ स्टूडेंट्स की जिम्मेदारी ज़्यादा है कि वे सब लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी से किसी न किसी तरीके से जुड़े, सिर्फ लीगल क्लिनिक से नहीं. सो देयरफॉर द डोर ऑफ लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी, either it is at taluka place, either it is a district place, or as a secretary of state legal services authority, I assure you that our doors are open for, and I welcome you as a law students to our doorstep. Please come. We will see that what best from your hands we can assure to this society. I convey from deep of my heart best wishes for this youth parliament session. I congratulate to all you students who have come here, because those who are not here and those who are sitting will be missing this session, important session. Therefore, I welcome you, and I also congratulate you for your future and for this session also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Rightly said by sir, we as lawyers and you as the next generation lawyers